Hello and welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've forgotten your iPad password and can't get into your device, there's no need to worry. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple and effective ways to unlock your iPad passcode without needing a computer. Each method works a bit differently. The first method is using the Forgot Passcode option that appears directly on your iPad. This one is the simplest because you don't need a computer. Start by entering the wrong password several times until you see the Forgot Passcode option appear at the bottom of your screen. Once it pops up, tap on it and follow the instructions on the screen. You'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password to confirm that you're the rightful owner of the device. After that, tap on Erase iPad, and your iPad will begin wiping all data, including the lock screen passcode. When it's done, your device will restart and you can set it up again. If that option doesn't appear or you can't remember your Apple ID password, you can try the second method, which is to erase your iPad remotely using Find My. This option only works if Find My iPad was enabled before you got locked out and if your device is connected to the internet. To do this, open the Find My app on another iPhone or a computer. Sign in with your Apple ID and tap the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, select the iPad you want to erase and choose Erase this device. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm with your Apple ID and password. Once you do, your iPad will start the erasing process automatically. After a few minutes, it will reboot and the passcode will be completely removed, allowing you to set it up again from scratch or restore a previous backup. If methods 1 and 2 didn't work, here's an additional tip. Unlock your iPad using PassFab, iPhone Unlock, and a computer. It's a simple program designed to unlock almost any iPhone or iPad, even the latest models. Use the link in the video description below to download and install PassFab iPhone Unlock on your computer. Launch it and you'll arrive on this interface. Click Unlock iOS screen and follow the instructions to put your iPad into recovery mode. To do that, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold down the power button until your iPad turns off and displays the recovery mode screen. The program will automatically detect your device and show you the appropriate firmware package for your iPad model. Click Download and wait for it to complete, then select Start to Remove. The software will begin removing the passcode and reinstalling the iPad's firmware. When your iPad restarts, it'll be completely unlocked and ready for setup again without needing a passcode. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.